So hey guys, so I've had this car for a while now. I never really noticed too much on it. But when I washed it, I always look at the top here. But I found a defect. And I know you always find them, but I don't think this one's major, but it just shows like the quality control, what gets passed through. I don't know if you could see it here. See right there? I'll try to get a little better close up here. Let's see. Can you see that? It's like either something got under the paint, because you can tell it's under the clear coat. It doesn't wrap around the side. I open the door and it stops at the corner, which is good. So I don't know if I think it'll chip off. A little disappointing. Like I said, when you find these things, like I went over it a lot, didn't really see anything for a while now, but it's so low on the door. But like we've been talking about, the paint on these cars, not only are they pretty thin because of the requirements now, but they also, a lot of things get passed through that, you know, years ago wouldn't. That would have probably been checked, because I've had Accords a long time now and you never really found this kind of stuff, you know? So I'll have to keep an eye on that. You know, if that starts chipping, that'll be a problem. I'm sure I can get it fixed. But right now I feel like I'm just going to leave it alone, because I know it's hard, especially when you paint it, to blend the door and all that kind of stuff. But if it does start chipping, I'll definitely get it taken care of. But thought I would share that with you guys, because we've been talking a lot about, you know, the quality of the paint, you know, how easy it chips and all that. You know, and it is true. It is definitely different than previous generations. A lot of people have problems here on the roof. Starts peeling from the drip roll there. You know, I didn't see nothing yet. I always check that, because I've seen some of you guys post pictures of that. It's crazy how I wouldn't say it's horrible quality, but it's definitely taken a step back for sure. You know, you can tell where the cost cutting comes from. I mean, you do get a lot of tech in this car. Engine's great, transmission, all that. But you can tell the paint is one of the issues. And I know a lot of people here say that the front here of the hood gets chipped up really easy. You know, I don't drive a whole lot, but I could see that definitely happening. So, you know, I just wanted to share that with you guys. See what your guys' thoughts are. If you guys having any issues like that too, definitely let me know. And I'll keep you guys posted too if something happens to this and I have to get it fixed. Okay, guys? So just wanted to share that really quick with you guys. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate that. And I'll have another video coming out shortly. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Appreciate it, everybody.